Okay, welcome to a new video. So we are going to solve a very LeetCode question, problem number 20. So, so it falls under easy category. So in this question, we have been given a string like this, and we have to find that whether the string is valid or not. And the condition is that so we are given two important conditions. So every opening bracket should be closed by the same type of bracket, and it should follow the correct order. So this, if it is something like this, because it's not following one of the rule that it's not being closed by the same type of parenthesis, so we're going to return false. And if it's not going to follow a certain order, we are going to return false. And if it is something like this, like we can see, like clearly it's following a certain order, so we'll be returning true. So I'll be using stack for this question, stack of characters. So because what my basic plan is that if I'm getting a opening parenthesis, I'm going to store the closing parenthesis of that parenthesis in the stack, and if I'm getting closing parenthesis, I'm going to equate it with the stack, the top of the stack, and both of them are equal. I'm going to return true. I'm going to like keep on processing it. If I don't get that same thing, I'm going to return false, right? So that's the basic idea. Let's start with that. Let's see. Okay, character. I'm going to do with stack itself. So as to avoid confusion, so I'm going to use the stack interface. Okay. For each loop, C S. I'm going to convert it into character array. So if C equals to this one, or C equal to this one, okay, or if C equal to this one, right? Every type of brackets I've used: curly brackets, curved bracket, and square bracket. If I'm getting any of this situation, what I'm going to do, I'm going to push that in the stack, right? So I'm going to push. I can't do that because I have to push the opposite of each and every stack, right? I have to push the opposite of each and every stack. So stack.push is going to be the opposite one, right? I'm going to push the closing one of that, right? So that will be that. Curly, if I'm getting the curly one, so let's just type it. Closing version. So I got. Now I'm going to compare if I'm getting the closing version of anyone. Right? Stack is empty. So that's a condition. Or if I'm getting stack or not equal to this, what you can see. I'm going to return. So that's the basic idea. Just checking it once. Because I am having what I did. Something that I was not doing. Anyways, I think that okay, so there was some error in the itself. It's wrong. It's wrong. Okay, sorry for this small syntax error. I need to add this because it's a kind of a function. It's a kind of interface. Just press this. I hope I'll be getting it. I cannot find this. Strange. Here's everything. Okay, so I hope you got what this question is about. What I'm doing is if I'm getting the opening braces of any of the parentheses, I'm going to push the closing one of that, right? Now, if I'm not getting the opening one, then I'll be expecting the closing one. So I'm popping out that stack. So if I'll pop out any character from the stack, any element of the stack, I'll be getting the. I should be getting suppose from this one. This two element I have added in the stack, right? Now, if I get an element that is the closing bracket, so definitely it's not going to satisfy any of this condition. So I'll be here, so it's not empty. So it will come over here. It's going to check that whether it's okay. So it's going to pop that character. So from this two characters, going to pop the last character. And it's going to equate with the actual character that I have right. So if it is true, so it's not going to not do anything. It's going to run again, and it's going to check it out. Okay. So I think I should now why I'm having this empty condition over here because I'm popping out every character, right? So at the end, every character should be gone, right? There should not be any character remaining, right? So that it should be an even number. So if it will be an odd number, definitely one or the other character will be there in the stack. So it's going to return false, right? So if everything is done successfully, there should not be any character. So I'm going to check that whether the stack is empty, right? So if the stack is empty, it's going to return true. So that's a good, right? So now let's check that whether it's going to accept my answer or not, and we'll just discuss. Yeah, it's accepted. Okay. So we'll just see the better solution because my solution is not that much better. Some discussion. In discussion, you'll be getting a lot of it. Okay. So 100% efficient solution is basically a stack-based iterative approach. Okay. So what is it? We have given a whole video for that. So watch the video. 99% faster. So what? Okay, so they have. Okay, you can go through this code if you don't know. They have actually used hash mapping, right? So hashing is effective. Definitely, hashing is effective. So okay. So for this video, this much. This is it, right? I'll be back with another question. So make sure you subscribe my channel, right? And if you have any doubt, please mention down in the comment section so that I'll reach out to you.